Hello guys, hello again YouTube. Today I am back with a brand new video. This video is a very exciting one. This video is going to be all about the metallic palette by Wet n Wild. If you guys have been following my journey here on YouTube since the beginning, you would have known that Wet n Wild has been one of the brands that I really love from the beginning. I don't know if you guys remember that palette with the brown and that gold that I used to wear all the time. So today is all about the metallic palette. This palette is amazing. When I first saw the palette, I was like, I don't know how these colors are gonna come out. I don't know what kind of eye makeup I'm going to be able to get out of this palette, but I was pleasantly surprised by that look that I have been obsessed with for the past few months. I've been able to create this look, which is the one that I am wearing now. It's kind of like sunsetty, orangey, kind of like reddish look. I love it, as you can see, and I use only like three main colors to get this look. That's how versatile this palette is. You don't need to mix a bunch of like colors to really get like a good look. Especially for me, I'm all about simplicity. I did not find them to use a matte shadow. Obviously this palette is all metallic. You could definitely get looks out of this palette without wearing any matte eyeshadow palettes. You don't have to mix. You can get a whole look from this palette without having the help of another palette. And there are so many looks that you can create with this palette. This palette has 15 colors and they're all very pigmented. I really love the color combination. Again, when I first saw it, even I was scared, but I'm just letting you know, if you see this palette, do not be put off by these colors. I do not think that you'll not be able to create some solo looks that you can wear on an everyday basis. Would I travel with this palette by itself? Absolutely, because like I said, I'm all about simplicity. I'm all about creating something that's very minimal, but at the same time you can either go minimal or you can go all out if you really want to. So this palette is a limited edition shadow palette. It has 15 richly pigmented shades and multifaceted metallic finishes that comes in versatile neutrals and bold jewel tone. I don't know if you guys have seen this palette around or if you have it. If you have it, let me know how you liking it, and if you don't have it and you're interested in picking this up to try it yourself, do let me know. I must tell you guys, this video is in partnership with Wet n Wild. They are sponsoring this video today, which I am very excited for, because they have been one of the brands that I've worn, you know, since the beginning of my YouTube journey. So it's really amazing that now I get to work with them in creating a look for you guys. So why don't we go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look from the beginning, from scratch. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you the color that I am most excited about trying is those two colors right here, because I've kind of like been obsessed with this kind of like orangey, peachy, sunsetty eye look as of late, actually. So I think it's definitely those two colors, or well, those three really. Those three colors that I will be using the most from this palette, and also the gold. I do love a gold look. Completely freestyling this. Whenever I do an eyeshadow, I never really have anything in mind. I just, you know, pick up a palette and just let my creativity flows. Yes, I'm excited to see what I come up with today. I'm super excited to use the Wet n Wild Metallics palette. So I've already filled in my eyebrows, as you can see. As this video, it's all about the Wet n Wild Metallic palette. Color I'm going to start with. So I'm starting with this bronzy color in the brush and really just put this in my crease. Do I think this is a palette that you can wear every day? Absolutely, which is why I really want to show you guys this look, because most of the looks that I've seen online using this palette They're like super bright, and I really want to show you how you can use a metallics palette to do an everyday kind of like makeup look. So don't be scared when you see metallics palette. It's so lush. I'm gonna go for this color here. I think I'm gonna mix this too on my eyelid, so I'm gonna go with this one first. Look at this, guys. It's giving me this kind of like sunsetty look. It will be perfect eye makeup look every day. These are colors that you can wear every day for your eye makeup. Typically I only use like 2 or 3 colors to do a whole look because I am super simple. So I really like the look. On a daily basis, I will just wear these two looks, and that would be it for me. I would just maybe blend some powder just to clean the edges a little bit, but since we're here, why not go a step further? So I am going to take some of this color over here and pop it on the center as well. I really love how this is looking. I've kind of like just been looking palette like this to create subtle pinky look, and I really think I found it, you know, in this metallic. This is a limited edition palette, so if you guys have not checked it out, you know, be sure to check it out. It has 15 shades. They are super pigmented. I really love the pigment in this palette. As you can see, I don't even have any fallout on my eyes at all. With 3 colors, I already have an eye look. So I do want to add something a little bit deeper in the corner of my eye to kind of like add some depth. Go in this kind of like taupey color. I'm going to add it kind of like over here. Yeah. As you can see, it kind of like intensified the look a little bit and give it some contrast. So just adding that little dark taupe on the corner of my eye. So I guess if you're looking for a look that you can take from day to night, this is how I would do it. I would have kept it the way it was before for like a day, everyday kind of look, and then at night, if I want to intensify it, I'll just add a little bit of that dark taupey look to I really love the look so far. So guys, I do my eye makeup in 2 steps. I do the eyes and then do the rest of my face, and then I come back to finish it off a little bit. So I am going back in the same palette to do my tear duct area. So I always do gold when it comes to my inner corners of my eyes, which is my tear duct area. So I'm gonna dip my brush into this gold and go in like so. And then I don't really have anything yet on my brow bone, and typically I get the same color and sweep some gold under my brow bone area. I'm using that same gold that I use on my tear duct under my brow bone. I like when all the look kind of like goes all the way down. So I'm gonna take this brush, I'm gonna go back and that same one we put on my lids and pop some on the bottom. As you can see, it just brightened my eyes. So guys, this is the final look. Let me know how you guys like this makeup look. Honestly, I've just been into metallics. I just love a good metallic. It just brings out your eyes. And there are so many opportunities in this palette to create so many different looks. I just love that I am able to do a look that is very subtle. I definitely recommend this palette. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this makeup tutorial. If you did, let me know, and maybe on my everyday I'll do some more looks using this palette so I can show you guys how versatile it is. But yeah, thanks again so much for watching this video. Do like it. If you liked it, subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. And again, thank you again so much for watching, and also thank you Wet n Wild for sponsoring this video. Bye bye.